Hanging out, got a delicious, refreshing strawberry. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. So we're gonna make a mocktail here. Not everybody wants alcohol when they come out to eat or party or whatever, you know. And a lot of times people just want something in their hand that they can, you know, make it look like they're drinking. So we're gonna do a strawberry soda. Got the strawberry puree. We're gonna do a little bit in there. We're gonna do some lemonade lime. Give it a little citrus. And then literally it's that easy. And we'll top it with soda water. And then I do just a little bit of actual water. Cut it. You'll dump into your shaker tin. You will shake with your actual glass. Wow, that could have been bad. Didn't break it though. The reason it popped off like that, the soda and the air bubbles, boom. Hanging out, got a delicious, refreshing strawberry soda. Let's give it a nice lemon. It's kind of lemonade, you feel me? Boom.